My name is Rajiv, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this error when configuring availability groups. So I'm getting this error on all of my replicas, and even like all my nodes are up and running. So I'm going to restart the services from configuration manager, and let's see if that fixes the issue. And meanwhile, let me connect to the services of other replicas remotely using services.msc. So my host name is Win25 SQL 22 GR2-1. So I'm going to connect to second server, which is GR2, and let me restart the SQL service on this box. And yeah, now I will connect with GR3 server and restart the SQL service on that box. GR3, yeah, and restart SQL service. Now I will connect back to SSMS and let's see if the issue is fixed by restarting the SQL service. Let me refresh the Object Explorer. Nope, the issue is not resolved. So what do we have to do is we have to go back to the properties and disable this always on feature and click OK and restart the SQL service and go back and check this option again and click apply OK and restart the SQL service. Let's see if the issue is fixed. And if meanwhile, let me connect to other servers. I'm connected to GR2 and GR3 servers and open configuration manager servers. Let's see the property for always on feature. Now at this moment, I'm not going to uncheck this. I have just rechecked or disable or enable this feature only on GR1 server yet and restarted the services. So let's get back to GR1, refresh. Now let's see if I can proceed with configuring the availability group. And now this time, as you can see, I am on the page where you can configure the availability group, but there's a catch that I will show you in the next screen when we will add the replicas. So now I'm going to add GR2 server. So on GR2 and GR3, I have not deselected the always on feature. So as you can see now, it's not allowing me to add the replica. It's giving me this error. So in order to fix this issue, I have to deselect the always on feature on GR2 and GR3 and recheck that feature or re-enable that feature again on GR2 and GR3. So let's go back and deselect this feature. Yeah. Now I will enable this feature back again. Taking some time. Yeah. Okay. Now go back to the properties, select the feature, apply, OK, and restart the SQL service. I'll do the same on this server. Apply, OK, and restart SQL services. Now let's go back to GR1. And now let's see if I can add the replicas. So GR2, yeah, connect. And you can see the replica is added. Now let's try with GR3. And this should also be added. And we should not get any error. Yeah, as you can see here. Now let's move to next and configure our availability group. And I'll be using script to configure the listener name to make sure everything is configured. Yeah, so here's the script. And if you like this video, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel